I'm back. It is Jen Eden, the founder of the Sugar Freedom Method and my new anti-inflammatory, most amazing freedom membership. Yay. Can't say enough about it. Okay, so let's talk about something like really, really important to women, all women, but specifically ages 40s to 60s, when our weight starts to do really weird things, okay? Menopause kicks in and women come see us and say, Jen, why am I blowing up? What happened to my waistline? Where's my libido? What is going on with my energy? And why is my weight so erratic? And so I really want to address that today. I need to address that. So if that's you, thank you for finding me. And I always say, I will talk about that topic in a sec. If you love my tools and tips, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Help me grow my community of followers and help me spread the word that we really do not need a million meds, a million supplements, and we don't need to eat anything but really good food and a couple of things I'm going to talk about today, okay, to stabilize our weight. Now, here's the thing with our weight doing weird things, okay? It's inflammation. And I don't mean to just throw that term around all the time on my channel, but it's the truth. When we're inflamed, okay, the body will store weight versus want to release it. And the issue with when we do these quick diet fixes, okay, and you go, but Jen, I might have high inflammation, but I'm able to lose weight. I'm going to say, yeah, but you're probably never able to keep it off. And that is the point of the Sugar Freedom Method, my permanent weight loss strategies, okay, and my anti-inflammation protocols. Why? Because they're lifestyle changes and they stabilize your weight for good. Why? Because an uninflamed body will never put on weight. It can't. All right, now the other piece of the puzzle with stabilizing my weight are two things. Number one, our schedules are usually out of control and our weight feels out of control. Okay, they are related. When we are running around all day, cortisol is spiking. Yes, cortisol is a stress hormone. And when that's going on, you will not lose weight. Look it up. Cortisol causes inflammation and actually affects our blood sugar levels and will actually store fat, even if we're not eating a lot of food. That is a true story. Go Google it, or here, take my word for it because it's the truth. So number one, our schedule is out of control. I really need you to work on your boundaries. True story related to our weight. Our boundaries, saying no and managing our schedules. And why? Because when our schedules are out of control, the other piece of the puzzle is we then are making time to sit down and eat a meal. We're on the go. We're skipping. We're doing French fries and a burger from a drive-through, which by the way is different than French fries at home and burgers we make, okay? It's loaded with toxins. And so what's happening is we're getting a lot of junk in us. We're grabbing Starbucks, or if you live near me, I live in Flagstaff, Arizona, and there's Dutch Bros. That line is out the door. I don't know what they're serving at that drive-through coffee shop, but there's always people in there from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. And why? Because they're running around all day. We're tired. We're looking for quick energy, and we're getting it from our caffeine, sugar-laden drinks, which do nothing to stabilize our weight. If anything, it stresses the body out, causes our blood sugar to swing, and we store weight as a result. So I truly hope that's helpful to hear. How do I stabilize my weight? Work on your schedule. Know your schedule is related to weight going up and down because we're always in a rush, and it is really hard to eat calm or make good food choices, okay, when we're stressed. And the other thing is we're inflamed. We're just inflamed from the stress in our life, from the running around, and inflammation in general, all right, causes our weight to never stabilize. So I truly hope that was helpful, and you'll just make a few little changes, just a few little tweaks to either your lifestyle or your diet, okay, and start looking at weight as an inflammation issue and a lifestyle issue versus, gosh, Jen, I lack discipline. You don't lack discipline. You lack a reasonable schedule is typically the case. So with that said, if If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you did that. If you have any questions, please leave me one. I will be sure to personally answer. And thank you for being here. Have an amazing day.